Engaging in high-risk riding will eventually lead to bad outcomes. Wearing gear is essential, but remember, it doesn't make you immortal.
Walang signal eh.
This is the best place for you to test your skills and limits. It's really not the smartest idea to chase people down, and you're about to see why.
Having a few drinks this morning?
What was that, punk man?
I just asked if you were having a drink this morning, dude. You almost ran me over.
No, never even came close.
Yes, you did.
Get the f off the property right now. Move it.
Okay, well,
Last chance. Last chance.
I'm moving. The bike weighs 300 pounds, dude. Psycho.
Even though the biker had a strong lane position, it wasn't enough.
Sí, sí, está bien. Sí.
The biker was on his way to work early in the morning when another vehicle began tailgating him persistently.
Why you all in my ass, bro? Why you all in my ass? Why you so close to you? Why you so close, bro? You need to back up before I knock you the f out, dude. Why you getting so close to my bike? Get the f away from me, bro. Get the f off me. Don't ride my ass. Don't beat the shit out you and slam your face in this car and beat your ass, fool. Get the f in your ride. Get the f out of here, man. Like, why you so close to me? There's no need for that.
Remember, wheelies are not only illegal, they're dangerous, especially in traffic.
I have you on video. I'm having you arrested. Okay. I don't give a f. Yeah, apparently. Do I give a f? Get the f back in your car. Come on. Get in your car. Get back in your car.
You better.
You go ahead. We got 2 videos,
Yeah,
bud.
I got video. You're
We
right.
both do.
Yeah, you're goddamn right. You are a fucking menace to society.
A menace to society.
A menace to society. That's right.
I doubt that.
On the other hand, approaching someone like this guy did is not necessary. If you have footage and you're willing to report the biker to the authorities, you are more than free to do so. Going 100 and nearly crashing makes your blood boil. Bikers, please make sure your progressive braking is on point. It will come in handy on a daily basis and save you multiple times.
Oh, you f***ing stupid. Oh, don't you f***ing drive away from me.
Sorry about that.
Sorry doesn't bring me back to life if I die.
I'm sorry, I can see.
That is unbelievably stupid.
Are you okay?
No, my f***ing heart is racing.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Group rides like this one are very risky and dangerous, unless you are staggered in information. This biker was going 10 over the speed limit, but this particular ride could have been tragic for him.
A few minutes later.
Natürlich knapp. Musst du richtig denken, sonst wäre ich in die Schrank gefahren. Ja, bitte immer schauen und achten auf den Vorwärtsfahrer, weil da kann immer einer kommen.
Luckily, his braking skills were good enough to avoid the accident.
Aber ja, kann passieren, aber...
Biker got pulled over for excessive speed. What do you think? Is he getting away with a warning or is he getting a citation?
I was not speeding.
You weren't speeding coming down Belmont?
Yeah.
You weren't?
No.
Okay. I don't know exactly how fast you were going, but you were definitely speeding. And right here,
Okay.
I'll tell you right now why I stopped you, okay? It's a 55, and you were doing 60 right here. So I can for sure say that you were at least speeding right here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I didn't... 60, it's 55. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Sir. I wasn't...
but you're gonna sit here and you're gonna tell me you weren't speeding on Belmont, or Belmont.
I didn't think I wasn't...
When you pass that car right past Fancher, I want the sons and people by. You slow down a little bit for me, okay?
I will. It's only a little 400.
I get it. People are still gonna smoke you because people driving are dumb.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I know. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. This was a real fun story. I mean, I don't want nothing bigger than this.
So just slow down for me a little bit, dude, all right? All right, have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You don't see this every day.
Look at the turtle. You gotta keep going. Just fuck.
Please, before merging, check your mirrors twice. On the other hand, please adjust your speed. When you come across someone who's willing to put your life at risk, this is the best thing you can do.
Obowiązuję. A przekroczyłem linię? Przekroczyłem linię?
Nie, ale przekroczyłeś nie.
No to co z tego? Nie przekroczyłem linii.
Keep a safe distance and get far away from them as soon as possible. YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video.